Struggling to generate quality leads that convert into real customers? Imagine targeting the exact accounts you want and turning them into loyal clients. That's the power of account-based marketing, or ABM, and it's a total game changer for lead generation. Let's dive in. ABM flips the script on traditional lead generation by focusing on high-value accounts instead of chasing a sea of unqualified leads. Stick around, and I'll show you how this strategy can supercharge your results. Step 1. Define your ideal accounts. First up, identify your dream clients, those high-value accounts that align perfectly with your business goals. Use data-driven tools to create an ideal customer profile, ICP, based on factors like industry, company size, and revenue. This sets the stage for a laser-focused strategy. Step 2. Personalize everything. ABM is all about delivering value. Create hyper-personalized content and outreach strategies tailored to each account's pain points. From customized email campaigns to unique landing pages, personalization builds trust and keeps your prospects engaged. Step 3. Collaborate across teams. Sales and marketing alignment is critical. Work together to craft account-specific strategies and share insights to move your prospects seamlessly through the funnel. With both teams in sync, you'll drive higher engagement and conversions. Step 4. Leverage ABM technology. Use ABM tools like HubSpot, Demandbase, or LinkedIn ads to automate and scale your campaigns. These platforms help you track engagement, nurture leads, and measure results, all while saving time and resources. Step 5. Analyze and optimize. Track the performance of your ABM campaigns. Measure engagement metrics, pipeline growth, and ROI to identify what's working and what's not. Continuous improvement ensures you stay ahead of the competition. Ready to transform your lead generation with ABM? At Saffron Edge, we specialize in creating personalized ABM strategies that deliver real results. Start targeting accounts that matter most to your business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert marketing tips.